welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities with our toddlers at home. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below with what other fun activities you want to see in the near future. Let's go ahead and get going. So the activity we are doing today is working with the letter L, and we'll be creating a lobster. So the material that we will be needing are red paint, a plain piece of paper, just one, black and red marker, googly eyes, optional, glue stick with the googly eyes, and then a paintbrush for your paint. So essentially what we're going to be creating is a lobster with your toddler using the paint, using their hands, using their foot to create the full picture. And what we will do is I'm going to use a paper plate, tends to work best for us. We're going to put the red paint on the plate, and then I'll simply take the paintbrush, dip it in the red paint, and paint each of his hands as well as his foot. I will do his foot first, that way we got a nice little mainframe of what we're working with, and then we can add on the paint of the hands where the lobster lies, and then we will let that dry. Once this dries, we will come back and revisit, and this is the optional part, is where you can add on the googly eyes, or you can simply just draw the eyes in, and then whatever other features you want. So I may make a smiley face, kind of the back of the lobster, the tail, the legs, and then the top, the pinchers, or the antennas. So as far as how you want to do it and finish it off, can be as creative as you like, but the fun part of the activity is working with paint and then just more of that hands-on. Throughout the activity, it's always great to add in, what does the letter sound like? So the letter L sounds like L, so then they can correlate that with the phonics of how each letter sounds, and then working it into tying it together, in this case, lobster, lobster. I hope you enjoy it. Let's bring my toddler out, and here's a little clip of him doing the activity for lobster. Enjoy.
What are we doing today?
We are going to make a lobster. We're working with the letter L.
We got big gooey eyes.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah,
Do you have two of them? Oh, good.
Our mouse is my eyes too.
Yeah, so these we'll do in a minute. What sound does the letter L make? Do you know? Lobster.
Yeah.
We're going to paint your foot, and then we're going to paint your hands. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so first things first, we got to paint your foot. It's going to be a little cold. That's okay. Can you shake that for me?
What's the color red?
It is the color red.
Please you paint your foot.
Have our lobster. Oh, buddy! Wipe your hands. Okay, we gotta let this dry, and then when we come back, we'll finish our lobster. That's where you want to put your googly eyes. Okay, put one there and one there. Go for it. Good job. And then your other eyeball. Awesome. Now we gotta let it dry, and then we'll finish it, okay?